Hello, my name is Asli Sayar. I'm a licensed and practicing attorney in the states of California and Nevada. And on behalf of my own firm and my sister firm, Leokakis Law APC, welcome to another episode of Did You Know? And today we're going to be continuing our discussion about the legalities and legal issues arising from working from home. Today we're going to be talking about two additional topics in this series, specifically the issue of recording and publicity releases. So let's talk about recording first. Now, many businesses are now utilizing more than ever video conferencing technology. And as part of the video conferencing technology that is utilized, there are recording features as part of those softwares, meaning you can be having a video conference with a client and that entire meeting may be recorded, either automatically because of default settings in the video conferencing software, or because you chose to record. Now, depending on what state you live in, there are laws and rules governing when and how anyone can record anyone else's conversation. In some states, it requires consent. In other states, there are different requirements on what constitutes consent, whether both parties have to agree, whether just disclosure of the fact that you are recording a call or a video might be enough to satisfy your law. When in doubt, if you do not know what your law is in the state where you are recording and or speaking to your client, and you haven't checked the law in the state where your client or customer may be, because that might be an entirely different set of laws, it is always best to A, disclose upfront at the beginning of the call or video conference that you are recording, and second, get their affirmative verbal consent that they consent to the recording. So when in doubt, that's what you should do. If you would like to look into the laws for your state and the state in which any of your customer or clients may be calling from, you can certainly speak to your local attorney who can assist you in the legal research of those topics. Now, the second topic we wanted to discuss regarding working from home is also tied to the video conferencing and marketing that so many of us are now doing because of the COVID-19 crisis, and that is publicity waivers. If you are going to be recording with someone's consent and full disclosure, a telephone conference, a video conference, and then you wish to use their image, a screenshot you've taken of the video conference, or wish to use some excerpt of something a client or customer said during your recorded video conference or call for marketing or publicity purposes, it is in your best interest to get a signed waiver from the person or persons that you are going to be using their likeness, image, and information of before you make it public. So if I plan to use a video between me and a client for marketing purposes, I should, in addition to telling that client that I'm recording the meeting, get their written consent that I have the right to utilize their image, that video recording for my own business's publicity without giving them compensation. If I don't get that waiver, it is entirely possible that my client or customer could come back and make a claim against me for damages for using their likeness and their image for my own economic gain. So, as we all navigate the new world of working from home and working more and more on the internet, it is in your best interest to be upfront and or research in depth the recording laws of the various states that you may be working with. And also to make sure if you plan to use the image, likeness, information, or testimonial from any client or customer that you work with, that you get their written consent and preferably their written waiver to allow you to do that without further compensation by your business to them. Your attorney, including our firm, can certainly assist you in preparing those publicity waivers. And so make sure that you protect yourself as you continue to operate your business from home. Thank you very much.